Transformation project. Objective: create a poster or video that tells multiple energy transformations as well as the law of conservation of energy. In this video, you will learn what energy is, the types of energies, and examples of energy. Woo! Energy. What is energy? It's the capacity of a physical system to perform work. Basically meaning that energy is like a unit, and when you're doing work or work is being performed, energy is being used. So always remember, in energy, there is something called the law of conservation. It states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, it can only be transferred. Types of energies are kinetic and potential energy. From the board, you saw there were two arrows pointing one to potential and one to kinetic. Those are the two main categories in energy. Potential energy is the energy that an object is due to the object's position, condition, or chemical composition of the object. Kinetic is the energy of an object that is due to the object's motion. Basically what that was saying is kinetic is the energy of motion, while potential is the energy within or stored. In Ms. Green's class, we learned about 7 different types of energy. We learned about mechanical energy, sound energy, chemical energy, radiant, light or solar, which is the same thing as radiant, nuclear, thermal, which is heat, and electrical energy. In my video, I'm going to show you just 4 out of 7 examples and what the types of energy are and what category they're placed under. I'm going to show you radiant, chemical, sound, and mechanical energy. See, on the board, I have energy, and it's separated by the 2 main categories, potential and kinetic. Under kinetic, I have sound and radiant, and under potential, I have mechanical and chemical. And as you can see, for mechanical, I put it could be both potential and kinetic. I think the best thing to do before I start doing examples of transformations of energy is to tell the definition. So first, mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is energy generated through movement. Sound energy is energy of vibrations that move through a solid, liquid, or gas to our ears. Chemical energy is energy released from chemical reactions. And radiant energy is energy of electromagnetic waves. When I'm going through examples of energy, you have to look at the basics. Just like reading a book, you go from left to right. Well, in fact, in this small little example clip, it's going to show different types of energies individually, and then I'm going to show you multiple energies transferring. So, let's go! Mechanical energy is energy generated through movement. So, for me to be in a nice spinny chair and spin around in my beautiful kitchen will be mechanical energy. Chemical energy, on the other hand, which is different from mechanical energy, is energy that has to do with chemical reactions. So since we are humans and we store chemicals inside of us that cause energy to happen, when we eat and it digests, it's chemically. So I'm going to show you guys this banana, beautiful, yummy, delicious banana pudding that my grandpa made for me. And once I eat it and digest it, I'm gonna have a lot of energy to jump up and be crazy and run around the house. Which is mechanical energy. Now, sound energy. That's the energy of vibrations that move through liquids, solids, and gas to our ears. So, when you get on the computer, you're searching up on YouTube, you want to listen to some music, you want to listen to that song, The Way, and it's beautiful. Sound energy. I love it, I love it, I love the way you make me feel. Sound energy. It's amazing. Last but not least, radiant energy. Now, radiant energy should be easy. It's light or solar. You know, radiant energy is just basically energy that creates light, or to have a more scientific definition, it's the energy of electromagnetic waves. So, the light, see the light, it's radiant because it's giving off light. The light bulb is giving off light, making it radiant energy. So for now, we went through all individual energies. Now it's time to do multiple energies, or better yet, transformation. These are the examples that I did earlier for each individual energy. So like, for example, with the mechanical energy, when I rolled on the chair. When I rolled on the chair, it was chemical to mechanical because I am a human that produces chemicals inside of me due to the food that's stored that I use to do work. So when I started pushing and I was rolling around, it was mechanical energy because it was a force of movement being done. And another example, which could be used as a transfer of energy, would be when I was on my laptop playing music. It could go radiant to sound energy because my laptop lit up when I touched the keyboard so I can start playing the song. So that could be an example of transferring energy. Do you like my video and all my examples and stuff? And I hope that you actually knew what I was talking about, understood my video. So thank you, and eat pie and cake and enjoy the rest of your day.